In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Arcwarder in Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Arcwarder is one of the 14 obtainable wolves in Deepwoken. It is heavily focused on defense. 4 of its passives are defensive and the other 2 are mobility. However, it still allows for a fair bit of offensive play. It includes a dash that allows the user to gap close, and maneuver around opponents, and both combat mantras are as effective if not more in aggressive play. So in this video I'm going to go over the steps that you have to complete to acquire Arcwarder. So for this oath, first go to layer 2 and complete Alpha's quest. Activate the generator, talk to Alpha, and retrieve injured Epsi. Now, when you talk to Epsi, choose option 2. Option 1 causes Epsi to perish due to the parasites. He will always be outside of Furfire Caverns when you repeat floor 1, so you may choose the right option until the questline is completed. Dying while the quest is active will not require you to talk to him again. Now, talk to Alpha again after you have done this. Keep in mind that you have to return to Alpha for this quest, or else Delta will not give you Arcwarder. Next, ensure that you have 20 Fortitude, 20 Flame Charm, and 20 Thunder Call. Return to the surface and talk to Delta at Miner's Landing, inside the lower mountain part of the town, specifically behind the watermill located right where the waterfall is. In order to progress the oath, you must kill Chaser, or the Scion of Ethereum. As long as you are able to do the Alpha quest line and you meet the requirements that I mentioned, you will be able to get Arcwarder as an oath. It is heavily focused on defense, and the requirements are going to include 20 Fortitude, 20 Flame Charm, 20 Thunder Call, and completing Alpha's quest, and then you will be able to use this oath. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Arcwarder in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.